So now we're here.
Well, good luck.
Thank you.
I gotta go to Walford, and that's why I can't stay.
All right.
Sue!
What are you doing with your kids?
Grandma and Grandpa are gonna take it easy.
They
can figure it out themselves. Yeah,
Mom,
they
can
know
I
how to
sit?
walk from here.
So does he.
Can I sit?
Yep. Hey, see ya. Where's your ball? That one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Got it, Ben.
Alright, see you guys.
You.
Got it, you got it.
Do the Sue! Do the Sue! Do the Sue! Oh my days.
Oh, he did it. He did it.
Oh.
You alright, bud?
Yeah, I'm recording them.
Who said that?
Logan, number 6.
Switching goals.
No, goalie not ready. Go. Oh, this kid's fast.
Go, go, go. Got it. Give her a hoop. Give her a hoop, kid. Give her a kick. Hey, not too far, buddy. Pass it over, go. Go, guys, go.
Ben is cooking.
Get in front of the net.
Imagine how I play, Mom.
She fell off. Watch it, Nathan.
Go, Nate. And
Oh, get on him, Nathan.
oh, close.
Is Logan in your class?
Yeah.
Go, guys, go. Nice pass.
Nice pass. Oh.
Oh, that goalie's good. Oh yeah, nice kick. Go, Ben.
Get open, guys. Get open.
Oh,
That's a good move.
ew. Oh no. Number 3 is good, so better watch out for him.
Get back, Nathan.
Around the corner, upper booty hole.
Get back, Nathan.
He said, "Where's my forwards?" Pause. Good kick, nice. All right.
Hustle, Nathan. Get some water, buddy.
7 on the dot.